Hi! In front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for remove option to show. When it does, you need to drag your search bar on top of it. And when you see that the search bar is see-through, just let go. So when I do that, as you can see, my Google search bar was successfully deleted from home screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!